Really, please take your sister with you when you go shopping later, said Mrs. Wong. But Mom, Millie will make a nonsense of herself, protested Millie. Either you take her along with you or you do not go at all, replied Mrs. Wong firmly. Millie has no choice but to obey. Please remember to take care of your sister, Mrs. Wong reminded Millie before they left. Soon, the girls were on their way to the newly opened shopping complex. When they came to the traffic junction, the green man was already flashing. Suddenly, Willie broke free from her sister's grasp and dashed across the busy road. There was a loud screech as a van came to and abrupt stop. Willie was knocked down by the vehicle. Millie was terrified. She burst into tears when she saw her sister lying unconscious on the road. The van driver called for an ambulance immediately. Fortunately, Willie sustained only mild injuries and was hospitalized for less than a week. Thank you. Now I'm going to read picture discussion. This picture shows a playground. There are many people at the playground. There is a little boy who is pulling a little girl's skirt. I think the little boy wanted to play the slide first. The girl's father went to stop the little boy from pulling his daughter's skirt, and both of them might fall down. The boy and the girl are shocked because they saw their small brother is pulling a little girl's skirt. I think they would quickly stop playing at the swing and quickly run to their small brother. I think the little girl will forgive the little boy and let the little boy slide first and play together happily. Thank you. Now I'm going to read the conversation. I like to visit the playground because there are many people, things that I can play. Sorry, I must repeat again. May I repeat again? I like to visit the playground because there are many things that I can play with. I will always visit the playground at least once a week. My favorite activity at the playground is the slide and the seesaw because when I play at the seesaw, I am like flying up. When the slide is going down and a lot of people thinks I am a small kid, like in primary 2 or 3. I like to play my word shirts, drawing, and sometimes when I'm bored I play with my baby sister like cooking.